Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a 10-minute yoga stretch. So when you're ready, coming to your easy seated position. That could be on bricks or blocks or simply coming to the earth. When you're ready, beginning to take the hands to the thighs or the knees and just begin to lengthen the spine. As you begin to lengthen the spine, beginning to connect with your breath. We're going to begin to invite some gentle movement to our practice. So just beginning to circle at the waist. Spiraling the spine. And when we're ready, we're going to begin to take a side stretch. So as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror you. So taking that left hand down, right arm to the thigh, spiraling the chest. We're going to begin to take that right arm up towards the sky and then over to the side. Maybe adding a gentle pulse if that feels good. Exhaling, taking that right hand down to the earth. Again, spiraling the chest open and then inviting that left arm up and over. Beginning to release the left hand down. We're going to begin to take both arms up overhead and we'll take a cactus, softening the elbows. Taking the arms up overhead, left hand grabbing those right fingertips or wrists. We're just going to begin to tilt over to the side. Gaze can be down towards your lap or maybe going up towards the sky. And coming back through your center, right hand grabbing the left fingertips or wrist over to the right. Beginning to inhale the arms up overhead. We're going to take a gentle twist. Right hand to that left shin, knee or thigh. Left hand behind. Some of us might take the back of the hand to the thigh, taking a bit more leverage. Gently beginning to release, taking the arms up overhead. We'll take that twist on the other side. And gently beginning to release the twist, taking the arms up overhead. And we'll cactus one final time. Inhaling the arms up, we're going to begin transitioning to your tabletop position. I'm just going to change my angle. So coming to all fours, hips over the knees, starfish fingers. And taking a few rounds of cat-cow, tucking the chin in towards the chest. And gently beginning to release the navel, coming into your cow. 2 more times, exhaling. Cat. Inhaling cow. Last round, pressing the earth away. And cow. We're going to begin to come to a neutral spine. We're going to begin to tuck the toes. We're coming to our first downward dog. So begin to lift the knees, setting the sit bones up and back. And just generously bending one knee and then the other. Particularly if you're doing this first thing in the morning. Just easing in. Beginning to settle down into your downward dog. I'm going to take some wave-like action. So we're going to begin to take the gaze forward, lifting the heels, coming up onto the balls of the feet as high as you can, and shifting the weight into the hands, plank pose. So we might need to smidge the feet back. We're going to begin to come back to our downward dog, softening the knees, setting the sit bones to the back of the room, and then up towards the sky, releasing the heels down. We'll do that 2 more times, coming up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight into the hands, softening the knees, sit bones going back, up, and then heels down. 1 more round, waving to your plank, softening, coming back to our downward dog. Beginning to take the gaze forward, walking, stepping, or hopping the feet to the hands, forward fold to the top of our space. We're going to take a gentle halfway lift, fingertips to the thighs or the shins. And exhaling, folding down. We're going to begin to press into the feet as we inhale the arms up overhead. And we'll take a cactus, softening the elbows. Inhaling the arms up, and we're going to begin to take that curtsy. So left hand grabbing that right fingertips or wrist and going over towards the left. We can stay right here, beginning to lift that right heel, or beginning to slide or step it behind us. Beginning to come back through your center, taking the arms up overhead. Right hand grabbing right fingertips or wrists, softening the knees over to the right. Again, we can stay here, maybe lifting the heel, maybe stepping back. We're going to come back to center, softening the hands, forward fold, halfway lift. And fold. We're going to begin to plant the hands. We're stepping back to our plank pose. And we might be higher foundational. We're going to take 2 more waves of that plank downward dog. So softening the knees, setting the sit bones up and back. Beginning to come up onto the balls of the feet, shifting back to your plank pose. Softening the knees, downward dog. And beginning to come back to standing at the top of the space. So beginning to step, hop the feet to the hands, forward fold. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. We're going to take the arms up overhead. We're going to take that curtsy 1 more time. So beginning to take the left hand, grabbing the right fingertips or wrists, softening the knees over to the side. Again, your choice, staying here, lifting that right heel, or stepping back. Right foot coming to meet the left, and taking this on the other side. And then back to center, softening and folding. Inhaling our halfway lift. Exhaling and fold, planting the hands. We're going to step back to that plank pose. 2 rounds of waving to downward dog. And coming up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight to your plank. Softening the knees, downward dog. And balls of the feet, plank. Softening the knees, downward dog. Well done. It's getting the body moving in this short flow. Round of breath here, maybe sighing through the mouth, letting go of any tension. Waiting to release the knees to the earth. And coming to sitting on your heels if that's comfortable. If not, coming to an easy seated position. I'm just going to change my angle. And we're going to begin to take the arms up overhead, a little cactus, softening the elbows. Inhaling the arms up overhead. And then taking the hands to the heart. I'm just taking a moment here, feeling the change of energy within the body and in the breath. Thank you for taking this 10-minute yoga flow with me. I hope you have an amazing day. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos or playlist, check out the description, and I will see you again soon.